WebNetSec builds on everything from the NetSec plan and expands it into a full-stack approach for modern web application and API security testing. It's a great fit for security teams and MSPs who need deeper coverage beyond infrastructure scanning, especially when the real risk lives in public-facing apps and the API that powers them. You get full DAST scanning that goes far beyond checkbox testing. In addition to the OWASP Top 10, WebNetSec is tuned to surface the issues that are easy to miss in dynamic apps. Complex logic flaws, multi-step authentication breaks, injection risks across modern frameworks, unsafe defaults, and application misconfigurations that attackers routinely chain for maximum damage. As new high-impact web vulnerabilities land, the kind that quickly shows up in exploit kits and breach write-ups, WebNetSec monitoring helps you spot exposure fast, validate fixes, and retest as exploitation patterns shift. WebNetSec also supports authenticated web scans, so you can evaluate what happens behind login pages, in user flows, and across role-restricted areas. Any pen tester knows this is where high-value findings hide. Privilege escalation paths, broken access control, sensitive data exposure after authentication, and workflows that behave differently once the user logs in. For engineering or API-driven teams, the built-in API scanner supports both REST and GraphQL, letting you test endpoints with precision. You can define custom headers, tokens, and authentication chains, validate input handling, and uncover weaknesses like insecure direct object references, overly permissive scopes, mass assignments, shadow endpoints, and GraphQL-specific risks, such as introspection leakage or resolver abuse. It's a practical way to test the API surface the same way real clients and attackers interact with it. The plan also includes specialized scanners for WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla, ensuring CMS-driven web apps receive targeted checks for vulnerable plugins, risky themes, exposed admin paths, and configuration issues that often lead to takeover or content injection. Just like NetSec, WebNetSec is designed for continuous monitoring, not one-off testing. Schedule scans, track changes, and get alerted when new issues appear or when an update introduces regressions. Get prioritized findings with contextual risk and mitigation steps that combine technical severity, exploitability signals, exposure, and asset criticality so your team can focus on what can cause real business impact. If your operational footprint includes public websites, portals, APIs, or CMS platforms, the WebNetSec plan provides the coverage you need to pinpoint meaningful vulnerabilities at both the network and application layers, and to keep watching for what changes tomorrow.